What if I told you that the backyard transformation you've been dreaming about doesn't require a contractor, a massive budget, or even advanced skills? I'm talking about projects so stunning that your neighbors will assume you hired professionals, yet so simple you can literally start this afternoon. And project number 8, it changed how I use my entire outdoor space, and it cost me less than a pizza delivery. Hey there, garden dreamers. Welcome back to Garden Homes, where we turn ordinary backyards into extraordinary retreats without the extraordinary price tags. If this is your first time here, you've just discovered your new favorite place for backyard inspiration that actually fits real budgets and real schedules. And to my loyal subscribers, welcome back. You know we're about to dive into something special. Today we're covering 10 DIY projects that are genuinely achievable, seriously gorgeous, and honestly transformative. Before we get our hands dirty, let's make sure you never miss another backyard breakthrough. Hit that subscribe button right now, and here's the important part. Smash that notification bell because I drop new budget backyard content every single week. These projects have genuinely changed how I live outdoors, and I cannot wait to see what you create. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to start at least 3 of these. All right? Let's jump into project number 1 and start transforming your backyard today. Project number 1, pallet wood pathway. Let's start with something that instantly makes your backyard feel intentional and designed. Pathways are what separate amateur yards from professional landscapes, and you can create one using free pallet wood. I grabbed 7 pallets from local businesses for free, disassembled them with a pry bar, and cut the boards into 2-foot lengths. The magic is in the installation. Dig a shallow 2-inch trench where you want your path, add sand for drainage, and lay the boards perpendicular to the walking direction with small gaps between them. Here's the secret that makes this look expensive. Stain half the boards dark and leave half natural, then alternate them as you lay them down. This creates incredible visual depth. My pathway cost about $20 for sand and stain, and it completely transformed how my backyard flows. What used to feel like disconnected spaces now feels like an intentional landscape design. People genuinely ask who did my landscaping, and I just smile and say I spent an afternoon with some pallets. Project number 2, tire planter tower. Vertical gardening saves space and creates stunning visual impact, but most systems are expensive. Here's where old tires come in, and before you roll your eyes, hear me out. I'm not talking about trashy tire planters. I'm talking about a modern, gorgeous vertical tower that looks like it belongs in a design magazine. Grab 3 to 5 old tires from any tire shop. They throw them away for free. Clean them thoroughly, then spray paint them all the same color. I used matte black for a sleek modern look, but charcoal gray or even white looks incredible. Stack them in a slightly offset pattern, like a gentle spiral, and fill each with quality potting soil. The key is what you plant. Choose trailing plants like petunias or a sweet potato vine that cascade down the sides, creating this lush, overflowing effect. Within a few weeks, you can barely see the tires because they're covered in gorgeous greenery and flowers. Total cost? Maybe $15 for spray paint and plants. The effect? A vertical garden feature that stops people in their tracks. Project number 3, string light, posts with concrete bases. Outdoor lighting transforms your backyard from a daytime space into an evening sanctuary, but installing permanent light posts requires electrical work and professional help. Or does it? I created freestanding light posts using simple materials that look professionally installed, but require zero electrical knowledge. Grab 4x4 posts from any hardware store. They're about $8 each. Mix up quick setting concrete in 5-gallon buckets and sink your posts directly into the buckets. Let them cure for 24 hours, and you've got sturdy, movable light posts. Wrap solar string lights around the posts, or string them between multiple posts to create an overhead canopy effect. Here's what makes this genius. These posts are completely portable. If you rent, you can take them when you move. If you want to rearrange your space, just pick them up and move them. And because they're solar powered, there's no wiring or electricity involved. I have 4 posts creating a rectangle over my patio area. And when those lights come on at dusk, my backyard becomes the most magical place in the neighborhood. Project number 4, cinder block raised beds with herb pockets. Raised beds elevate your gardening game literally and figuratively. But building traditional wooden raised beds requires carpentry skills and can get pricey. Cinder blocks offer an easier, more versatile solution that actually looks more modern and intentional than wood. Stack cinder blocks in whatever configuration fits your space. A simple rectangle, an L shape, whatever works. No mortar needed because the weight holds them in place. Fill the interior with quality soil for your main garden, but here's the brilliant part. Those hollow spaces in each cinder block become mini planters perfect for herbs and small flowers. I planted thyme, oregano, and marigolds in the block openings around my main bed, where I grow tomatoes and peppers. The herbs cascade over the edges, softening the blocks and creating this lush, abundant look. Plus, having herbs right at the edge of your bed means you can snip what you need while you're harvesting dinner. Each block costs about $2, and a decent-sized raised bed might need 20 blocks. That's $40 for a permanent garden feature that'll last decades. Project number 5, painted rock, garden borders. Garden borders define your spaces and create clean lines, but decorative edging from stores looks generic and costs a fortune. Painted rocks offer a completely customizable, free alternative that adds serious personality to your yard. Collect rocks from your property, nature walks, or ask neighbors if they have rocks they want gone. Wash them clean, then paint them in colors that complement your home and garden. I went with a coastal vibe using whites, blues, and soft grays, but you could do bold jewel tones, earthy neutrals, or even create patterns. Arrange your painted rocks along garden bed edges, around trees, or to define pathway borders. The beauty of rocks is they're permanent but repositionable. Don't like the layout? Move them around. Want to change colors next year? Repaint them. I spent maybe $10 on outdoor paint and created borders throughout my entire yard. Every time someone visits, they comment on how custom and designed everything looks. Okay, we're halfway through, and I hope you're already mentally planning which project you're tackling first. But before we get into project number 6, which involves creating restaurant-quality ambiance in your backyard, I need a favor. If you're getting value from these ideas, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need budget-friendly backyard inspiration. And drop a comment telling me what your backyard needs most, right now. More seating, better lighting, privacy. I read every comment, and your feedback directly influences what content I create next. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We're building an amazing community of DIY enthusiasts who refuse to overpay for backyard beauty. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's keep transforming spaces together. Now, let's talk about project number 6, and trust me, this one is a showstopper. Project number 6. Outdoor curtains from drop cloths. Privacy and ambiance in outdoor spaces usually means expensive pergolas or privacy screens, but outdoor curtains create the same effect for a fraction of the cost. Professional outdoor curtains run $50 to $100 per panel. Canvas drop cloths from the hardware store cost $8 each and work even better. Drop cloths are already designed for durability and weather resistance. Hem the top edge if you want to get fancy, or just clip them as is onto a wire or rope strung between posts or trees. I use shower curtain rings because they slide easily and cost basically nothing. The natural canvas color looks expensive and sophisticated, but you could dye them any color you want. These curtains billow in the breeze, create intimate spaces within your yard, and provide shade and privacy exactly where you need it. I hung 4 panels around my seating area, and suddenly my basic patio furniture looks like an upscale outdoor room. When I'm not using them, I tie them back with rope for an open feel. When I want privacy or shade, I let them hang loose. Total cost for 4 panels, including rings and rope, about $40. The transformation? Absolutely stunning. Project number 7, wine bottle, border lights. Landscape lighting creates mood and extends your outdoor time into evening hours. But professional lighting systems cost hundreds or thousands. Wine bottle lights offer an unexpected artistic alternative that creates magical ambiance for basically no money. Save wine bottles, or ask restaurants and bars for their empties. Clean them thoroughly and remove labels by soaking in warm, soapy water. Push solar stake lights, the kind meant for pathways, into the bottle openings. They fit perfectly. Now, plant these illuminated bottles neck down into soil along garden borders, pathways, or around seating areas. During the day, the colored glass catches sunlight and creates beautiful color spots in your garden. At night, the solar lights glow through the glass, creating this soft, enchanting illumination that looks like art installation lighting. I have 12 bottles scattered throughout my yard in greens, ambers, and blues. The effect at twilight is absolutely magical, and the whole project cost me $0 because I used bottles I already had and solar lights I got on clearance. Project number 8, PVC Pipe Pergola. Here's the project I mentioned at the beginning that completely changed how I use my outdoor space. Pergolas provide shade, define spaces, and create architectural interest, but professional installation runs into thousands of dollars. PVC pipe offers a lightweight, affordable alternative that looks surprisingly sophisticated. Grab 2-inch PVC pipes and fittings from the hardware store. Create a basic frame using 4 corner posts sunk into buckets of concrete for stability. Then add horizontal cross pieces for the roof structure. The whole frame for a 10 by 10 pergola costs about $80 in materials. Once assembled, spray paint everything with textured paint in colors like bronze, copper, or matte black. This hides the plastic look completely. Train climbing plants like jasmine, clematis, or morning glories up the posts and across the top. Within one growing season, you've got a living pergola covered in greenery and flowers. The PVC is strong enough to support plant weight, but light enough that you can reposition the whole structure if needed. I built mine over my outdoor dining table, and it transformed that space from an exposed patio into a shaded outdoor room, where we now eat dinner almost every evening from spring through fall. Project number 9, Stacked Stone Fire Pit. Fire pits create gathering spaces and extend your outdoor season, but professional installations cost upwards of $2,000. A stacked stone fire pit delivers the same experience for under $100 and requires no special skills. Mark a circle about 3 feet in diameter where you want your fire pit. Dig down about 4 inches and fill with pea gravel for drainage. Purchase wall stones or retaining wall blocks from any hardware store. They're designed to stack without mortar. Stack them in a circle 3 or 4 rows high, slightly tilting them inward for stability. Line the interior with a metal fire ring if you want extra protection, but honestly it's optional. The stones naturally handle heat. That's literally what they do. I surrounded my fire pit with pea gravel for a clean look and added some large rocks as informal seating. The whole project took 1 afternoon and about $90. Now I have a legitimate fire feature that's become the absolute heart of my backyard. We've roasted marshmallows, stayed warm on cool nights, and created memories that are worth infinitely more than $90. Project number 10, Hanging Gutter Garden. Our final project maximizes space while creating serious visual impact. Vertical gardens usually mean expensive wall systems or complicated installations. Vinyl gutters offer a brilliant, affordable alternative that works on fences, walls, or standalone frames. Purchase vinyl gutters and end caps from the hardware store. A 10-foot section costs about $8. Cut them to your desired length, snap on the end caps to seal the ends, and drill drainage holes every 6 inches along the bottom. Mount them to your fence or wall using gutter brackets spaced every few feet. Fill with potting soil and plant shallow-rooted plants like lettuce, herbs, strawberries, or annual flowers. I mounted 3 gutters at different heights on my fence, creating a cascading garden effect. The white vinyl looks clean and modern, or you could spray paint them any color. Each gutter holds multiple plants, so 3 gutters gave me space for probably 20 plants. This system is perfect for renters because you can take it down when you move. It's ideal for small spaces because it uses vertical real estate instead of precious ground space. And it's incredibly productive because you can grow a surprising amount of food or flowers in a very small footprint. My 3 gutters cost about $35 total and produce fresh herbs and lettuce for salads all season long. If this video inspired you, excited you, or gave you ideas, show some love by hitting that like button. Share this with friends or family members who've been talking about improving their outdoor spaces, but think they can't afford it. Let's spread the message that budget doesn't have to limit beauty. If you're not already subscribed to Garden Homes, you're missing out on weekly content that turns outdoor dreams into affordable reality. We're building something special here, a community that believes everyone deserves a backyard they love, regardless of budget. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an upload. I've got more DIY projects coming, seasonal garden guides, budget landscaping transformations, and so much more. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Thank you for being part of this community. Now get out there, pick a project, and start creating the backyard you've been dreaming about. I believe in you, and I cannot wait to see what you build. I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating, everyone!